Are you interested in considering the best Chinese restaurant in Chinatown in Las Vegas? It's considered by many people as the best place to eat Chinese food. This is China Mama, and I recently ate there, and this is my presentation and review of it. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. My name is Mark Fisher. This is my channel, Las Vegas Travel and More. I've lived in Las Vegas for over 34 years, and I've traveled all over the world. And my channel covers things happening in Las Vegas, great places to eat from a local's perspective that are not terribly expensive. The place I'm going to cover right now was the #1 rated place in Chinatown, Las Vegas on Spring Mountain Road when I did a best of Chinatown video. And I went in and actually did a new video of this. I've eaten there before, but this is a new location and I wanted to cover it. I was just there this past weekend with some friends and we had a great meal. And the restaurant is called China Mama. It's located in the Shanghai Plaza on Spring Mountain Road. And it's right across the street from the original Chinatown shopping center. It's very easy to find. Shanghai Plaza actually has quite a few good restaurants there, from sushi to Malaysian to Thai to you name it. And I'll be doing a separate video on the Shanghai Plaza in the future. The great thing about China Mama is the food is really, really good. The service is very friendly and the atmosphere is very relaxed, and you'll have a good time there. They don't take reservations, so we basically showed up. They open every day at 11:30 for lunch, and then they close at 3:30. That's the end of the lunch serving. And then they're closed for an hour until 4:30, and that's when dinner starts. And if you don't get there right around 4:30, you're not going to be able to get a table right away. You're going to end up waiting because it fills up fast. So I just wanted to let everybody know, if you're going to go to China Mama, they don't take reservations. They're open only until 10 o'clock at night, 7 days a week. So it's not a late night restaurant, but the food is really spectacular for Chinese food here in Las Vegas. Here I am here. I'm inside the restaurant in a booth. And of course, I've got some pot stickers there. The pot stickers were fantastic, great sauce, and really, really enjoyed the pot stickers with my friends. There's a picture of the menu. China Mama, they've actually been in Las Vegas for over 20 years serving Chinese food. They had another location over at Spring Mountain in Jones, but that's no longer open. And so this is their main location now. But they have crispy beef, crispy duck, crispy pork. They're known for their pork dumplings, their soup dumplings. And they're really delicious. And that's where they got their reputation. But they have anything you can think of Chinese food wise, they have it there. And of course they have photographs on the menu. The other thing I wanted to mention too, that they serve beer and wine, but if you just want table water, or if you want a soft drink, they actually serve them in an ice cold metal cup. I'd never seen this before. And so your drink is really cold when you get it, and it stays cold when it's at your table. So that was actually a really nice touch that I enjoyed there at China Mama. Here's some of their soup dumplings here that they have. They're delicious. They're full of broth, and when you bite into them, be ready because they're going to squirt out some juice and broth. But they're really good. They're soup dumplings. These are the pot stickers that we ordered, and they were really good as well. This is the crispy pork. I ordered this as an entree, and that's basically like pork fillet. There's no bones in it or anything like that. And then there's some carrots and other vegetables on top. And then they have what they call their mama sauce, which is over it. And it's really delicious. We couldn't even finish it all. I ended up taking home a bunch of it, but this was their crispy pork, a really, really great entree. And then, of course, we had sort of like their version of like a firecracker fried shrimp. It was really good as well. And all of their food is cooked fresh. It comes out fast, like a lot of Asian and Oriental restaurants. When the item is ready, it comes out to your table. We also had shrimp spring rolls that were really good. I didn't take a picture of those, but those were delicious as well. And then this was the fried rice. We ordered a combination fried rice, and it was really light and fluffy and really good, not heavy in any way, shape, or form, but really enjoyed the fried rice there at China Mama. Then my other guest had a beef chow mein, and of course the noodles are fresh there, and the beef, it's really delicious. That's a very filling entree, but they really enjoyed it very much so. This is a couple of other entrees that we saw there. I'm going to run through the pictures of that and that. And that's China Mama. Now, I wanted to let you know they're very fast. The service is really fast. You can get in and out very easily. You don't have to wait too long. If you have to wait for a table, they have a seating area up front so that you don't have to wait outside. But if it gets really crowded, you will have to wait outside. China Mama, like I said, has been rated as a critic's favorite here in Las Vegas for some time now. And I highly recommend it if you're looking for a great place for Chinese food in Chinatown, Las Vegas. China Mama is located at Shanghai Plaza, and that's 4266 Spring Mountain Road, Unit 106, Las Vegas, Nevada. Their phone number is 702-900-8802, and their hours every day are from lunch 11:30 in the morning until 3:30 in the afternoon, and then dinner starts at 4:30 in the evening and then runs until 10 p.m. at night. And don't try to get in at like 4:15 or 4:25. They keep the door locked right up until 4:30, and then you can get in. So don't be surprised if you come up and the door is locked to get in there. But China Mama is someplace that I highly recommend as a Chinese restaurant in Chinatown for people that are interested in some really, really great food. The prices were reasonable too. It was not terribly expensive, and I recommend it for families as well as for just adults if you like that as well. And like I said, they do serve beer and wine as well as soft drinks and teas and all that sort of thing. Of course, they had Chinese tea as well. It was really good. Anyway, China Mama is number one on my list for Chinese restaurants. Please subscribe to my channel. It's Las Vegas Travel and More. I'm a local. I've been here for 34 years, as I mentioned, and I will steer you towards great places to eat that are relatively inexpensive from a local perspective. And I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the video and hit that like button. If you've got any questions or comments, just go down below in the comments section. I read them all and I will answer and respond to you. And what's your opinion of China Mama? Have you eaten there before? And what do you think of it? I'd really like to hear from you. And then if you'd like to support my channel, you can buy me a coffee. There's a link down below. You just click on that link and you can buy me 1, 2, 3, 10 coffees, whatever you like. Any money I get from your support just goes right back into the channel so I can do more videos. And I do them not just on Las Vegas. I also travel around the world and I put up videos regarding that. So anyway, I really appreciate the support. Finally, if you'd like to become a member of Las Vegas Travel and More, just click on the join button right next to the subscribe button, and you can actually become a member. It's just $2.99. There's no contract, and you can cancel at any time. And I really appreciate the support from our members. Anyway, that's the show, and I hope you enjoy it. China Mama, number one on my list. And until next time, everybody, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.